Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make collaborative playlist on Spotify. So first of all, open Spotify application on your mobile device. Now from here, just tap on the name of a song. So I'm going to tap on this song right over here. Now over here, tap on the three buttons just below the song's name. Now over here, tap on the option of Add to Playlist. Now over here, tap on New Playlist and give a name to your playlist. Then tap on Create. Now just go to the option of your library. Now from here, just tap on the new playlist that you had recently created. Now over here, you'll see a plus button. Simply tap on that plus button. And over here, you have to invite collaborators. If you scroll down below, you can see various applications. You can share this playlist too. So you can tap on any of these social media applications. I'm going to tap on Instagram messages. Now, once your Instagram gets opened, you can share this playlist to other friends of yours on various social media platforms and make a collaborative playlist together. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.